What is up, guys? It is James and I am back with another video. It has been a long time since you guys seen this car. It's been a while since I did a car talk, but we're going to be doing a car talk today, and I kind of want to give you guys an update on my trading journey. As you guys see on the title, I have not uploaded a video in a while. I've been kind of MIA, and I've been in a trading slump, and we're going to talk about those things in this video today. And I'm going to try to make this video quick, but who knows how long I'm going to yap. I'm just kind of telling you guys my thoughts going into this video. So if you guys been following me along, I have been having 0 to 100K in payouts, but as of lately, my trading has not been the greatest. I am in a pretty big slump, and it's been since February since I got my last payout. It's been about 2 months since I got my last payout. I was getting a payout about one payout each month, and it's been 2 months since I got a payout, and it's not a good feeling. And I'm going through this losing streak, this slump that I'm trying to get out of. And if you guys were watching my series, my 0 to 100K series, I was trading some XFAs that were in some drawdown, and unfortunately, last Thursday, April 16th, I actually blew those accounts. I took a picture when I blew it, if this focuses. But you can see that was the message I got, April 16th. I blew my accounts, unfortunately, and yeah, not the greatest feeling. But while I was trading those XFAs, I was trading some evals along with those, and I actually passed some evals the exact same day. As you can see on an email from Top Step. Oops. If it focuses. But April 16th, I passed some evals, so it was like a good and bad day. Bad day because I blew my accounts, but good day because I had a fresh set of eval, or a fresh set of accounts that I just passed. So good and bad day, but you know, not a great feeling to blow those accounts for a second time in a row. And there's a lot to learn from. And I realized while I was journaling, while I was reflecting after blowing those accounts, I realized that I was sort of strategy hopping. I realized the strategy I was trading with those accounts is not the same strategy I was trading with that got me to my first couple of payouts. I was trading for my first couple of payouts is all continuation strategy, but for these accounts that I was trading, my XFAs that I blew, I was sort of taking like reversal entries, and my win rate plummeted significantly trying to change up my strategy, trying to trade reversals. It was just a more complicated entry system that didn't fit well with me. Continuations is very, very simple, and that's why I realized that I was overcomplicating it. Let me just stick to continuations. Let me just simplify my trading, have a strict rule system that I need to follow, and my trading will increase. But I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this is where not a lot of traders post. You never see a lot of trading influencers. They don't show their losses. They don't show the tough parts of trading. And this is what this video is, because I'm not going to lie, these past couple of weeks have been very, very tough on me. You know, I start self-doubting myself, and you know, after every loss you start to lose confidence in your abilities as a trader. You start to question yourself if you know how to trade, if you're ever going to get a payout again. I started questioning myself, when am I going to get my next payout? And it's a really mentally tough thing for yourself when you're going through that. Trading just consumes your mind. And when it consumes your mind, it's an endless cycle of, you know, just going back and forth. If you're ever going to be profitable, if you're ever going to get a next payout, when your next winning trade is going to be. I was questioning myself. I was asking myself, when am I going to actually win a trade? It's been so long since I won a trade. And I'm here to show you guys, you can go from getting payouts each month to not getting a payout for a while and, having your self-confidence lower. And I know I'm going to bounce back from this. That is actually why I haven't posted in a while. It's been about 2 weeks since I posted a video, but I took a step back from posting content on YouTube because I wanted to focus on trading, and I realized that pushing out content and trying to, if I was pushing out content, I'd be asking myself, okay, what am I going to upload? What's my next YouTube video? It's going to be trading related. So me thinking about trading, what content I want to post about trading, that kept on it made me think about trading after my trading hours. I wanted to just keep trading for the morning times. For when I trade, I want to trade mornings, journal after it on TradeZilla, just trade, journal, and then leave it at that. No trading for the rest of the day. Do not think about it. I already know my system that's gonna get me to payouts. I already know what I need to do. I just need to keep trading in the morning. Don't think about it after that. Just set it for the morning times. And with content, if I'm posting content, if I'm trying to post something about trading, it kept on making me think about trading past my trading hours. And as you know, if I'm not in a good trading, if my trading hasn't been the greatest, my mental is not very great when I'm making those YouTube videos, and it just was taking a toll on me. And it could be, it's a little depressing just posting and constantly thinking about trading. I did not want to constantly think about trading, and I wanted to, better my mental health by, doing other things outside of trading, doing things that I actually enjoy. Trading is not supposed to be fun. Yeah, lost some words right now. But trading is not supposed to be fun. I want to just keep it for the morning. I want to, resume trading posts for you guys. I don't want to totally disappear because I'm here to inspire you guys, show you guys what is possible. But trading comes first. YouTube is second for me. If I think stepping back from YouTube is going to help me with my trading, then I'm going to do that. And then when I'm in a better mental state, then I'll resume posting content. But that is why I took a step back. I hope you guys do enjoy, or I hope you guys do understand why I took a step back, why I'm taking a step back from posting content. I really do want to post content for you guys. I really do want to help you guys, inspire you guys, show you guys what's possible, show you guys, what helps me with becoming profitable. But for now, me taking a step back is what I think is going to help me with my trading, get me out of this slump. And also with this slump, I realized back then when I didn't even get my first payout last summer, I was constantly thinking about trading. And I remembered those nights when I was on my bed just praying to God that I'll figure this out, figure out trading. And he delivered. He actually brought the confidence in me. He picked me up. I was able to get to my first payout, and I was able to get multiple payouts after that. And things changed so quick. I got to my first payout, then I got my second pay after that. It's my biggest payout ever. It's $14K payout. And I was thinking, things are changing so quick. God really changed things so quick. He turned things around, and I know that can happen for me in this moment. I realized I was doubting myself. I was questioning if this is for me. I've been praying every single night, praying for guidance to, put me back on the right track. And I realized things can change so quick. I just need to trust in God that this is happening for a reason. I may not understand right now, but I realized I need to embrace these moments, these hard moments, just persevere through it. Because when I do get through this struggle, when I do get to my next payout, it is all going to be worth it. And I know this next payout is going to be my second most emotional payout, with, my first payout being the most emotional payout. But this next payout that I'm going to get, I know it's going to be the second most emotional thing for me because of what I had to go through to get to this payout. I had to persevere, really, lose my confidence a little bit in trading and have to, lose my accounts, question myself. And I realized, I'm going through this for a reason. I'm going to learn from these mistakes. I may not understand it now, but after it, it's going to be all worth it. And I really want to inspire you guys to not give up. I'm not going to give up on myself. I would be lying if, I told you guys in the back of my head I didn't question if I should give up or not, but I'm not going to give up. I'm going to get to my next payout, and I hope it really does inspire you guys. And I just really have to trust in God's timing. I've been praying every single night, and I just have to trust in his timing. I realized I was trying to force my next payout. I was just trying to force the timeline that I'm supposed to be moving at. I've been comparing myself to others, trying to rush things, and it has just resulted in a negative way. And I can't be doing that. I just need to trust, go on my own time, go on God's timing. Just trust that everything is happening the way it's supposed to be doing. And I know everything will play out, and that is what is keeping me mentally sane. I just putting my trust in him that everything's going to be okay. I know, I just got to keep on learning, persevere through it all. And if you guys are struggling as well, if you guys have been going through a rough patch, just, persevere through it all. And continue to learn. Do not give up on your goals. If you have a vision, if God put a vision in you, do not give up on that. Persevere and keep pushing towards that. Do everything that you can to try to get to those goals. That is what I'm going to do. Just keep on trading, keep on learning from mistakes, and I will get to where I want to be. So I really do appreciate you guys. If you made it to the end, I, took a hiatus from uploading content. So if you actually still support my channel, even through these down moments when I'm not doing the greatest, when I'm not posting payouts, if you're still supporting me, I really do appreciate you guys. I'm so grateful for you guys. And leave a comment down below if you're still supporting my channel. I want to see who still watches me, because, I do remember YouTube usernames. I see you guys commenting and I remember names. So leave a comment down below if you still do watch me even through these my down periods, and you're still supporting me through my journey. I really do appreciate it for you guys. But that is a little update for you guys. I don't know how long this video is, but a little update for you guys. I'm still trading, learning through it, and I'm gonna get through it. So that is all I have for you guys. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.